equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the HP15's fq4014ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP15's fq4014ns screen is cracked or not responding, it can be a major inconvenience. This issue often arises from accidental drops or pressure on the screen. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further damage and affect your device's functionality. To carry out the screen replacement, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement screen. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. Once open, locate the screen connector, which is usually found near the top edge of the device. Carefully disconnect the cable by lifting the connector with your fingernail or the plastic tool. Next, remove the screws securing the screen in place, typically found around the edges. Gently lift the screen away from the device, being cautious of any adhesive that may be holding it. Place the new screen in position, ensuring it aligns with the screw holes. Reconnect the screen cable, applying gentle pressure to secure it. Replace the screws, ensuring they are snug but not overly tight to avoid damaging the screen. Reassemble the back cover by pressing it firmly until all clips are secured. Finally, power on your device to verify that the new screen is functioning correctly. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent screen damage in the future, consider using a protective case and screen protector. Additionally, be mindful of where you place your device to avoid accidental drops. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.